He's feeling lucky. Wathatha amachance, wathatha i100. 100's back is all we about. Bafethu saselana khoneni, selimathunzi. Kade silana sifikelana ekseni siloko sibazama abantu abayifuni i100 lami. So ngathi ngizobuyela nalo ekhaya namaphepha wami ngizobuya kodwa kusasa. Every day beke. It's a day for you ukuthi ungaziwinele 100 rand. Lama 100 rand awaphelisa photocopy.
You will never get any money from me.
I'm still your boy inkosi estrate mgijima indoda egijima estrate ngene ehlathini ishiphu bese likhamisile bathi inkaba izondijayivisa abantu ngoshuni mapiyano. Inkaba izondiphana ngama 100 rand. Isu.
Shake buthatha.
Njama, you feeling lucky?
Mnandi.
Uzizwa vele unenhlanhla? Kuyawuthepha arabe yawo asithu short again alimukhwe like this. Kuyawuthepha. Arabe yawo kupha uyithwakele mic basikare kutsela di luck. Njaka understand the rules of the game akere se go explain it go explain le gape for the sake of the camera ne. Basikare go ropi. So njaka ka mona una le dipampiri ne. Dipampiri tse njaka tse mo busetse tse 7. So each paper in mabitsa 3 real names that is celebrate. And then along those names, call citing ke mabitso a ba ipitsang ka ona. Go gaming one. So when I'm from 1 to 9, you have to pick one number. From 1 to 9, you drop a number A1. When I'm feeling it's your lucky number. It's nguwe sando samore raseta. Yo abuti. Eish. Shoot manje ai ushapaka. Batho lokada ku YouTube mara okay sheba ntaka bo shimanje mo ntwana from 1 to 9 you pick one number mara 3 le 8 abasadlala so pick one number njalo 2 lucky number 2 thank you tell me wathatha ama chance wathatha i100
Give me tricking yana. Sana go with tricking yana wanya celebrity swalo.
Yokusiza ukuthi wazi ama celebrity wakho mangabe ufuna iklipa uzongithola khona lana khoneni lase 20 tshela abanye ukuthi mangabe uzithembile uze la kubhuqa ama 100 e100's back uzothathela iklipa lakho.
This is an accident.
Thatha iklipa lakho uyothenga izinto zakho. Mntanami.
Ngakai Mike.
Hayi bambe kuwe ntwana ngifuna bathi ngithathele inhlanhla.
Dafile
Ayiphethe ntwanami is one of the easiest dog. But if you've been here before wena kudala unathi la wamnika clue siyamkhipha. Number 1 Themba Sunny Boy Sikowe
Maphorisa.
Hi this guy is taking my money.
Oh wenga.
Do you believe it or not?
Maphorisa see.
This guy is taking my money.
See.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
This guy is taking my money.
Fucking matuma, see.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to do a deal.
Not next, Baba.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
This guy is taking my money.
That's no keys when what I did. It's no keys.
Number 2.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Yeah, 7.
Mthembeni Dave.
MT.
Go.
Ngikhwehlela nje ukuthi konke enzakala.
Asiye kethu mfethu. Asiye mfethu, asiye.
This guy is taking my money, you guys. He's taking my money, you guys.
Asiye.
You don't give me money or you give me. What can you say?
Shabona masefela. Mali. Inambani yaphe yami mali boys.
Jam wathatha imali yami la.
Obvious. Ngibize enye number.
Ngizwe?
Ngibize enye number.
God's plan. God's plan. God's plan.
Amen.
Angifuni bathi ngiyakubopha ntwana.
Oh, asiye ke.
Lento sishaya.
Asiye ke. Asiye.
The last one.
Okay.
Jam, you take this money. It's yours. It's yours. Angifuni bathi ngikuphi even ngiyama yabo.
Sure.
Ngiyabuza soyithathile. Cameraman omlungisele lapha ngathi ekhatha lo mfana le mali. You got this was like a lucky one, though. The most easiest one. You do know your people. So umamela ni hip hop piano. Bonke. Shoot uzazi zonke lezi.
Akuzazi. Khona ngazitaba.
Phela manje so busy. Mara lezi famous yazazi.
Yeah.
Shoot nale ngizoyibizwa yazi.
Asiye.
Sisekake.
Maro
Phela ngithi kumele ngimlibazise usakhona.
Mangathi Jabulani Hadebe shithi imali yakhe ahambe yakutshela.
Ah sesimbizile phela.
Oh.
Uhadebe.
Shabu indlalifa phela.
Sesimbizile.
Asiye mfowethu.
Lena ntwana.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be a biggest news ever.
Eish, mali yami madoda. Mali yami. Okay nzama. I $100 is too much. Shooting mina nezinto zami masena flavor. Madoda, I'm sorry, I was just trying my luck. Imali estokfele ihambile.
In the meantime, emini kwaba sengishaya isilungu ngoba ngafu.
Asiye.
Ngifuna ukubusa ispirit.
Akatimela ngoku.
Nasebholweni mawudlala. Sathi ibhola ukuthi yabona nithi manje nawe spirit kumele siyo mfethu yabona. Sikhuluma phela ngalezi.
Yeah.
Number last. Sihle Sithole.
Tonkayira usomnyama. Yabo.
Embarrassing. Carlos decline.
Sihle sithole usomnyama ngeke.
It was just a test of bonus. Ngizama ukugayisana before uthatha imali yami.
Sure.
How it's it.
Yeah.
This one is yours, my dog. You are the first person. Season 1, guys, is the first one to take this money.
What can we do? Only money that I want.
The very first one to take this money.
Asiye.
Yes. Grind. Okay, disclaimer. I'm sorry. The money is fake. I'm telling you.
Angeke ayikho fake baba. Iyo straight imali le. Nangu Mandela
Ntwana le
ukhona.
bafithi hayi sebe yakho ntwana mfake epokoteni ne angifuni bathi ngirobhile ntwana yami. Yabo. Guys nibonile ngithi usangirobhani.
Asiye bizogcina ke.
Futhi ntwana yami guys ngiyasaba ukulikhipha legama ngoba uyalazi.
Anglazi ngathi ngiyalazi ngingalazi.
Hayi le uyalazi guys.
Biza siye man.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Biza man. Kumele kubuye kutoso.
Ayishuthi ntwana yami uyotosa uthenga netropica uthenga ama-snack. Emncintiswaneni ngiwinile. Yeah.
Akatholi next bekangekho nje.
Ahwethi isipho.
Atholi foko
Ahwethi
manje.
next.
Barariye ngigame.
Guys, ke game la mpona pela ka sele phloko tšhelete ga etsa mai. All money gone. AMG. All money gone. It's the last one. I have to delay it. I DJ this boy is taking my clip out. He is the last one. And I'm about to give him the last one. Imali saying aguye guys. Right? The money is with him. Hey man. My heart is sore. Hliziyo yami ibuhlungu mangisuka lana nje. Ngiyalapha eGabla Church.
Ha bui dai man. Wa itse re no re tlo motsa dipotso tse tough.
Nyo distressa. Bazongibhala edolweni, sikoloto, sikweleti. Njami. Hayi, olithathe. Ngicela ukulibisa ngime lapha yana ekhaya. Ubatshele lapha ekhamereni.
Ngifanga ngilazi legama.
South Africa is a movie.
Cameraman, ukade lapho kungabi nomuntu omtshela ithunge. Yezo cameraman.
Biza khethe mfethu awu. Ngatenzani khethe lo muntu amsabisa. Sabu ukubiza nayo khethe. Sure.
The name. But if you win this one, there's a crowd babona ukuthi nginike phambi kwabantu imali. This one. Ngitshele lonke ngitshele igama lakhe kuphela.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
Asiye biza. Siga yesizwe STC show bafethu. Thank you very too much.
We have a winner. Utho bani?
STC.
Uyithathile bafethu ababonise la. Bangathi sikopile ngona yami. Abavulele lona. Niyayibona guys angithi. Don't say we cheated or anything like that. Njayami.